Hello, I am Dr. Vyakaranam Nageshwar, pulmonologist, allergist, and immunologist, President World Allergy Foundation. It's a very interesting story that I would like to share with you all. I don't know whether to call it good or bad, but I leave it for you to decide. The developments which are coming in very fast in the science and technology, in a way, they are very much useful and a blessing. But the way things are going, I would like to narrate you a story. There are three divisions of understanding: the nature, the disease, the pharma, and the research. Now, there is a disease of the humans for which research is required for a good product. Now, here comes the research on the disease, which product will be good, which drug will act the best. Now, you have the patient group, you have the researchers, you have the pharma. Between these three, the problem is absolutely zero till there is no corporatization. Once the corporate thought process, which is always, thinks of the economic gains, the 3 months business meetings where you really assess, or quarterly, 4th months, that's not related with the improvement of research or the benefit to the patients. But when a disease is there, when there is research occurring, the research team which does the sincere work to identify the treatment strategies of this disease, when they are supported by some organizations for fund, 30 years back, 20 years back, those organizations which fund this research scientist team were not so much into the corporate ideology. But now, there's a very, very different thing which is happening. We have seen latest in Indian market, the GLP, glucagon-like peptide 1. This mimics that of weight loss. Actually, it's not a product or the thing for weight loss, but it is widely used now for weight loss. We have seen that. And we also know what kind of secondary effects could happen because of this. This is the first example, mark me. The second example, which is latest and which is going to come very shortly in India, is exercise like drugs, like exercise mimetics they call it. That means you actually don't do exercise, but you just take the tablet and your muscle response, your cell response as if you have done an exercise. Now we are entering into a very new area wherein which you actually will not go down the weight, but you take a drug for weight loss. You are actually not going to exercise, but you feel like exercising. Now in this trend, where are we really going? Now suppose somebody doesn't exercise. Now the impact of such drug on the heart, the brain, the immune system, the cellular mechanism, the pathology, all this matters. That's the reason we say any religion, any discipline of school will say, get up in the morning, be active, do exercise. These are all the disciplines which we have been taught from generations. Now that is breaking up. You don't need to make exercise. You don't need to go to gym, do that kind of things in the gym. Just go to the doctor in another few days, you get a drug, exercise mimetics, you take that and you feel that there is a change that you have done exercise. I think we were taught from our childhood that being close to the nature, being disciplined, getting up in the morning, doing a workout, focusing on the agendas, taking the discipline, working every day, all these things that ultimately at a point of a time I feel that we are going to stop. Now that is the biggest pathology. If you stop doing things which naturally you are supposed to do and depend on these tablets, I think this is not a research. This is a corporate trans-humanitarian approach. Ultimately, we will go into a situation where for breathing, you require a tablet. For normal heartbeat, which we are now able to do, you will be dependent on the tablet. I think somebody calls it a great advancement. I put it very cautiously, a good one, but not so useful, because it is going to damage our health in coming days. I leave this option to you all. Do take a decision, talk to your family how wise we are to go into such new drugs which can cause probably some of the changes after, 4 or 5 years down the lane. Like how COVID came for an emergency use, we all use this. Today we see couple of complications, drop dead conditions, all these things. Though researchers say in West that yeah, it is linked with myocarditis and all this, but I leave this here to you all. You take a decision. We should be near the nature. We should follow a disciplined life, and we should put full stop to the disease, not by depending on just medications or the corporate researches which are going on, but by a natural way, because man is closest to the nature. Thank you.